A new mixed reality headset from HTC's Vive series was just introduced. Pre-orders for the expensive new Vive XR Elite AR or VR headset from the firm are now open. Let's have a look then. HTC observed what Meta is attempting to accomplish with its Quest headset, and was aware of all the long-circulating rumors regarding Apple's arrival into the field of virtual reality or augmented reality headsets. HTC reasoned, "We're HTC, VR is our thing, we can do better." And so they did, releasing the completely independent Vive XR Elite headset, which is small, light, and powerful. VR has unexpectedly become more pricey. The timing couldn't be worse, but HTC's Vive XR Elite, the company's most recent high-end headset, is similar to Meta's recently released Quest Pro, and perhaps Apple's upcoming product as well. Is the rise of $1,000 plus VR rigs really something we're prepared for? The standalone Vive XR Elite is aiming to test the higher-end waters and is sleeker, and appears to be much more compact than the Quest Pro. The $1,099 headset will ship by the end of February, after going up for pre-order on Thursday, which is incredibly soon for a CES product. That indicates that it will be obtainable along with Sony's PSVR 2 for the PlayStation 5. Even though it costs less than the Quest Pro, the XR Elite is about equivalent to purchasing a PS5 and a PSVR 2 combined. But the hardware seeks to address how we'll be using the metaverse for more in our lives than just gaming, simulation, and fitness. It reduces the VR form to a pair of almost glasses-like goggles, and incorporates mixed reality features that could enable for AR apps. No other business has genuinely overcome this difficulty. But this Vive headset seems more than ever to be a first step toward upcoming AR spectacles. We can already see how mixed reality will give rise to an entirely new set of applications. The benefits of virtual reality are well known. The AR side, in my opinion, is fantastic. I learned this from HTC's Vive general manager, Dan O'Brien, during a conversation at CES in Las Vegas. He admitted that HTC tried to create an AR device in 2015, but gave up due to difficulties. O'Brien sees cloud computing and 5G as a crucial next step. To make AR grow, you need a 5G network that is incredibly strong, and you also need a cloud infrastructure to distribute to those kinds of wearables. The XR Elite, which primarily functions as a standalone VR headset, is an incredible piece of technology. It shares the same Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chip as the Meta Quest 2, Quest Pro, and Vive's current Focus 3 business-oriented headset. However, it also has higher quality LCD panels with a 110-degree field of view and 2K resolution per eye that can operate at 90 Hz. Along with 128 gigs of storage, there is an increase to 12 gigs of RAM. It can connect to Android phones as well as PCs using HTC's Vive Porter Steam VR. The most impressive aspect of it, though, appears to be its potential as a gateway to AR experiences. But those are merely specifications. The XR Elite is a VR headset that offers a comparable experience to earlier models, but with more advanced features. What surprises me the most is how small it is. It weighs 340 grams, which is less than half of what the Quest Pro does. About 2 hours of life are provided by the rear hot swappable battery. By removing the back battery strap and adding glasses arms, the headset may be made even smaller. The redesigned pair of VR glasses could then be powered by an external USB-C charger or battery. The XR Elite features changing dials, or diopters, which may change lens prescription on the fly without you needing to wear glasses at all for certain people, at least. This compact size comes with a twist. The diopters can only support prescriptions of up to -6, although my own nearsightedness is over -8. It's a difficulty HTC had with its even more compact Vive Flow phone-connected VR eyewear, which opted for the glasses-free method. The XR Elite contains a front-facing dedicated depth sensor and color pass-through cameras that, like the Quest Pro, will eventually display mixed reality experiences. Despite lacking the Elite's additional depth sensor, the Quest Pro makes up for it with its internal cameras. Additionally, the XR Elite could be modified. Although the hardware doesn't come with any built-in eye tracking software, later this year, add-ons for both face and eye tracking will be available. The controllers for the headset are identical to those HTC now offers for the Vive Focus 3, which use a similar design philosophy to the Meta Quest 2 and other headsets. However, HTC already sells a range of wristbands and body trackers for wearable VR, and further accessories might follow. O'Brien agrees that VR and AR still lack the enduring, mass-market appeal they will eventually have. Using cloud computing, he predicted, developers will be able to actually get their stuff into the metaverse much faster and much more efficiently. If you consider the streaming industry, who are these TikTok users, streamers, and other young people who produce such captivating and entertaining content that you find yourself coming back for more? We need to provide additional options for less experienced immersive content makers to participate in the metaverse and subsequently expand the economy. O'Brien believes that cloud computing, which is fueled by eye tracking's capacity to reduce graphic data through a process known as foveated rendering, could eventually enable processors on future headsets to become smaller and more universally compatible. The current lack of available prescription options is what worries me. People will likely bring more prescriptions to it in the future as we develop much lighter eyewear, predicts O'Brien. Because we need to make the headsets lighter, for the time being all we can do is try to address the majority of the market as best we can with these types of configuration tweaks. We need to make them more at ease. And they will continue to be very large if you have these large eye release ohms inside of these headsets. The accompanying VR controllers, in O'Brien's opinion, may someday be optional or even left out of the package and purchased separately, but not yet. In order for hand tracking to truly become more of a natural input tool over the next 2 to 3 years, it needs to make huge breakthroughs. But O'Brien says it's a method to lower the cost of future headsets. It will be a far more affordable product if a user can simply put on glasses and interact with the material. The new headset costs $1,099 and comes with 2 motion controllers, 1 battery, and the headset itself. Shipments are expected to start in late February 2023. Would you purchase this headset? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.